In this video, I'll show you how to create a presentation with Gamma AI in 2026, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Gamma AI. Sign in to your account and open the Gamma workspace. Now, look for the option to create a new project. Select the presentation option or the AI-powered presentation creation tool. Next, you'll need to tell Gamma AI what kind of presentation you want. Enter a clear prompt describing your topic, audience, and the information you want to include. For example, you can type, "Create a professional presentation about digital marketing for beginners with 10 slides. The more specific your prompt is, the easier it is for Gamma to understand what you need. After entering your prompt, start the generation process. Gamma AI will create an initial presentation with organized content, headings, layouts, and visual elements. Once the presentation is generated, go through each slide carefully. You can click on text to edit it, add new information, remove unnecessary content, or rearrange sections. You can also change images, layouts, fonts, and other design elements. If you want a different look, open the theme or customization options and choose a style that matches your presentation. If the AI-generated content isn't exactly what you want, use the available AI editing tools to rewrite, shorten, expand, or improve specific sections. Finally, review every slide for spelling, accuracy, and overall design. When everything looks good, use Gamma's available sharing or export options to present or save your work. And that's how you can create a professional presentation with Gamma AI in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful AI tutorials.